Hello and welcome to the battery test video of iOS 13.4. So I will spend the first 2 minutes of this video going through all the settings of the devices and make sure that they have the same settings they always have when I run these battery tests. So if you want to skip that, go to the 2-minute mark of this video where the battery test will start. So sit back and relax, enjoy the video, and I will be back commenting on the scores. here we have the results. So I've tried to make some updated charts to show in this video, and we start out by looking at the points that Geekbench awards each device. So on this chart, I compare the follow-up test I did on iOS 13.3.1 about a month ago with the first test I did on iOS 13.4 that I did on March 18th, and then again against the test that I did today, March 24th. So looking at the XR and iPhone 11, they have improved by more than 100 points since iOS 13.3.1, whereas the iPhone 7 and 8 did not. They lost almost 100 of 200 points. The SE and 6S are about flat versus iOS 13.3.1. So I would say that the overall conclusion from this test would be that it's safe to upgrade if you're using the iPhone SE, 6S, XR, and 11, but there could be some concern for iPhone 7 and 8. The CPU charts are similar to that of the battery test, except that I have added iOS 13.3 as a data point for comparison. Multi-core scores are a different beast though, mostly faster on iOS 13.4, but again the iPhone 7 and 8 sticks out a bit. And here we have the results for the Antutu HTML5 test. So except for the SE and the 6S, we have an upward trend on all devices, whereas the SE and the 6S is more or less flat. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm not sure how well these new graphs made it onto the video, but let me get your feedback down below, and have a good one. Oh wait, is the mic off? Oh, it's off. Well, I forgot to say that they should subscribe and like the video. That always helps. Well, okay. Well, let's hope they do it.